slip off.
Slip off, yes.
So that was a cool thing. But I lost most of them now because of how many times we pumped it. But it was for like tomatoes and onions, everything.
You feel that pop slow in there? Where this is more square.
I don't know.
Sometimes they're a little bit squarer, sometimes they're round. Would you like that round, comfortable? Oh, maybe you're okay.
I mean, it's garbage. I mean, look,
Yeah, sure.
I couldn't cut my fucking.
You know what it is? Because it's
Now, listen, I can hit it, but this was brand new. I used it a few times, and that was it. It's thin, it's flimsy. I can bend it with my hands. Yeah, there you go. See that? Now, listen, it's exactly. So, like, you buy it, and you're like, oh, I used it for the day, and then exactly what you said. That's not what it is. Right. So now I'm sure you can hit it with the big look at this fucking thing. This guy got it. Wow. Wow. Wow.
So I'm thinking price-wise, it's probably firm, right? Firm because of all the labor involved. It is going to be American made, right? So it's going to be all handcrafted.
Right.
And you know, handcrafted means that every single blade is a little bit different. Which is very cool.
Nice.
Right. It makes it a little bit
So
cool.
when they get it, that's it.
Right.
That's theirs.
Right. And then it's very unique. It's going to have your stamp. It's going to have my stamp. It's going to be collaborative. You have the website. You have the website. Right. So we'll put it on your website. My website.
Put numbers on.
You could number them, serialize it. Right.
Oh, that's a great idea.
And like I said, I don't typically make chef's knives, but everybody always told me, like, dude, you live in New York. There's more chefs than there are hunters. So why are you not?
And then what about the home chefs?
Yes,
People
the
don't-
cooks.
Yeah,
Yes.
and everybody wants to be a chef.
Right.
And everybody wants to be around in the kitchen.
Yeah.
It's where they want to be. I can't tell you how many people walk through that door the first fucking place they come, right?
Yeah.